Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. Got a coconut water. I think it's called Parrot. Parrot coconut water with added ingredients. This one is with pulp. This was $1 at Big Lots, a store we have here in Tulsa. It says chill and shake well before serving. It contains 87% juice. The ingredients are coconut water, sugar from cane, coconut flesh pulp, sodium metabisulfite for color retention, and contains coconut. Distributed by HING Foods Incorporated, South San Francisco, California. Product of Thailand. Best if used by date. See on can. Refrigerate after opening. Store in a cool, dry place. Still good for another year. Okay. Non-GMO project verified. Non-GMO project. Okay. All right. I've grown accustomed to coconut waters. I've grown to appreciate some of them. Some of the ones with pulp are a little bit hard to, to swallow because of some of the fleshy pulp matter is what's the word? They can be a little off-putting in the texture of them, Okay, but may not be too bad. I mean, like let's just say orange juice with pulp. Those, you can swallow those and not even think about them, but depending on how they are. I've had some aloe beverages, or I've tried one or two, and if they have the pulp in there, those are really difficult. Okay, let's try this. Got a little cup here to show what it looks like. Let me make sure it's nicely stirred up, nicely shooken up. Okay, and these little cubes, okay, this is what, it's got the little cubes in there. Those are, when I'm drinking stuff like that, I gotta chew them up. I can't, it's hard to swallow solid things like that. You get a little bit of coconut on the aroma. Very lightly. Has a, kind of a light cloudy appearance. Excuse me. All right, let's try it. Let's see how they are. They're lightly crunchy. It's got a good taste. Yeah, it's got a nice coconut water taste. It's got a light to medium body on it. It's not a thin water. Some of these are crunchy and some of them are not. I don't think you're necessarily supposed to chew them up. I think you're supposed to just swallow them, not even think about it. That one was kind of hard. It's like swallowing a pill, you know? Like an ibuprofen or something. Yeah, these are good. This is good. Yeah, this ain't bad for a cheaper water. The Central Islamic Committee of Thailand. CICOT.HL 91 F1170001-859. Okay, it's got a little bit of Islamic writing there, it looks like. Couldn't read what it said. It was really, really small letters. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good. Parrot. The brand is Parrot, and the company is HING Foods Incorporated, I guess. Or that's who distributes it, I guess. That's the website. You don't see a website that says Parrot, www.parrot.com. You see a www.sunhingfoods.com. So I want to understand about that kind of stuff. When you say distributes, that means, you know, take them places, take the product to places. It doesn't necessarily mean that you are the one, you know, that came up with the recipe or the process of the, you know, preparing the coconut, turning into, you know, water and putting shavings into it and canning it. You're just the one that's taking it places. So that's why I wonder, it almost seems like the one that distributes it is getting more credit for the product. It kind of confuses me, you know, about that kind of stuff. So I try to understand a little bit. I don't know, maybe if I researched it a little bit more I could understand, but let's see, calories per serving, 100. Okay, pretty good. Yeah, all right, I'm going to end it there. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know if you've tried this. That little Big Lots store is the only one I've ever seen this particular product in. So like I said in another video, Big Lots has a lot of off-brand type brands of, you know, products, beverages, and foods that you don't see anywhere else. I don't know where they get this stuff. And a lot of times the off-brand stuff is cheaper than some of the brand names. They do have some brand name stuff there, and some of those are more expensive. So Some things they have cheap, some things they don't. But, so there you go. All right. Now I'll end it. Now I'll end it here. I thank you for watching. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.